Welcome to Specifications Writing for Engineers workshop, powered by tonex.com. Specifications Writing for Engineers is a special specifications writing training workshop for engineers and technical professionals. It is a practical 2-day interactive program reviewing good specification guideline, roadmaps, exercises, examples, case studies, group projects and discussions. Who should attend? Anyone who wishes to learn the fundamental skills in planning, developing and writing technical specifications, including engineers, architects, project managers, attorneys, legal, testers, operations and maintenance and procurement professionals, veteran purchasers who want to enrich their technical writing skills. Key learning objectives. Show what the specifications and requirements specifications are. Show the role and purpose of specifications. Show key steps involved in creating effective specifications. Training method and materials. Comprehensive specifications writing guidelines and notes. A workbook with workshop exercises. Tonex specification checklists, forms and charts. Extensive documents and reference resources. Course agenda, topics, introductions to specifications. Methods of specifying. Descriptive specification. Performance specification. Reference standard specification. Proprietary specification. Descriptive and proprietary combination specification. Performance specifying. Specifications versus systems engineering requirements. Difference between IFB, design build, RFP, RFI and RFQ. Specification and drawings. Statements of work, SO, versus specifications. Performance versus design specifications. Engineering management concerns on specification. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website www.tonex.com.